Hey guys, oh yeah, what's up? Alex Gamer 619 here, and like what I said, my video how to make a toilet is we're gonna make a training center. Woo! It's very easy. So let's start it outside. Let's do this. Let's do this. Jump team. So yeah, the the things you need is dispensers, blocks. Yeah, you need blocks of dispenser. So button or lever, yeah, blah blah blah, and any mobs, any bad mobs. Yeah, creep. Let's try creep. Oh, my mom's calling me. Damn, damn, my mom is calling. My mom. So yeah, just like that. That's why I need to put two blocks and remove this and put the spacers there, put the button. There is just a pop. Almost coming. Yeah. So it's just like this system. So if you want to design it, just put any fence. Yeah, put it like that. Yeah, if you want. Yeah, but it's better if you put an oak fence. Even if you want real spawn creeper, that's dangerous. See? And it's done in just 2 minutes. Ooh, that's fast. Woohoo! Let's give the creeper. Yeah, okay guys, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, that's the toilet. See? The video. Let's destroy it. So yeah, maybe then I think the next video I'll be making is let's think about it. Dude, think about it. No, you think about it. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what's the next video I'll be making. So I'm making is anything I want. Or say it in the comment. Yeah. Just say it just in the comment if you want to help me to make anything. Yeah, just tell me how to make anything or I'll make anything. Okay guys, I'm ready to video now and thanks for watching and please like and subscribe before you watch my next video. Oh yeah. And yeah. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Dun, 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 dun.